Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use monday.com to manage your social media post scheduling. So it is very simple. All you have to do is to use a template that is already created for you. So in your workspace you have to press this blue button which is called add item to workspace, and then here you have to select choose from templates, and it will open up all the templates, but you have to search for template called social media planner. So this is the template that we have to use. You have to click on it and then you have to click use this template, and it will set up this template for you. Alright guys, once the template is set up, as you can see, it has added this social media planner into our boards, and now we can use this to plan our social media posts. So as you can see, we get multiple columns. First one is called item, then post schedule, which is the date of the post we want to post it, then post copy, then we get content category option, like if it's inspiration or humor or whatever, you can select that too. And then we get a lot of options, like we can add design status, we can add image, we can add edited image, we can add Facebook posting status, we can add Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn posting status, and we can add a lot of other columns too, like TikTok maybe, for example. So here, as you can see, you get all the items, like for day one, which post you want to schedule, you can add it on day one. On day two, you want to schedule this post, you can add that here. On day three, you want to schedule this post. So it gives you the options to schedule your entire post, scheduling basically. So here you can add, this is for month one, but you can add month two, month three, month four by pressing this add new group button, and it will give you the options to add other months. I'm gonna name it month two. So now for month one I have, let's suppose, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 posts for month one, and then I can add posts for month two. So I can add items here for month two, and then I can schedule them. I can add the dates on which I want to post them. I can do whatever I like. So this is how you manage social media post scheduling using monday.com. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.